Okay, let's go to that test page. There's the top module, the second module, and the third module. So we are going to click this, look at the background, and the color is indeed F5, F4EF. And in case you're curious, I'm going to copy this, and let's say we made it all Fs. That makes it pure white. You can see the difference. So we're going to go back to that, which is kind of a light gray. And we're going to save it and save it. And there you go. So we're going to exit Visual Builder. And that's what it looks like.